Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another beauty look. Starting off with our primer, we are going to do the Honey Dew Me Up Primer from NYX Cosmetics. I'm just going to place this all over my face and then just rub it in. And then I'm just going to use this J-Cat Makeup Primer Spray in Jasmine. I usually do this with all my makeup because my skin is super dry, so I always have to keep super hydrated. And then we're going to move on to the eyes using the ColourPop Concealer in Fair. And I'm going to use this as a base on my face, or on my eyelid, not my face. I'm just going to blend it out. I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Glam palette, and this one is the Glam Reflectors in Rose. I'm going to be using all of the browns and then the white as well. Starting off with the lightest brown in the palette, I'm going to place that directly on my crease and just start blending that out. I'm not blending it out in any certain way or in any shape. I'm just kind of placing the color down very messily, but making sure that my edges are blended. So I'm going to go from the light brown to the medium dark brown to the super dark brown, and I'm just going to keep blending those in the crease of my eye here. And then to cut my crease, I'm going to go back in with the ColourPop Concealer in Fair. And I'm just going to use an angle brush and just cut my crease out. You guys can do this to the shape of your eye. I'm just going in and just kind of covering my lid itself. And then we're going to go ahead and set that concealer with the lightest color in the Rose palette from BH Cosmetics. Now, giving the eyes a break, we're going to move on to foundation using the Make Up Forever foundation in Y425 and R220. I can't find my shade. I have to look for it in my extras, so I just mixed the two to get a shade that I liked. So I'm just going to place this all over my face and then blend it out as usual. Alright, so to highlight, I'm going to use the concealer in Medium Fair from ColourPop Cosmetics. I'm just going to place this on the highest points of my face. For some contour, we're going to do the concealer in Tan. And then once I've placed down where I want all of my colors, I'm just going to blend everything out with a sponge. Alright, so to set my entire face, I'm going to use the My Beauty Mark setting powder. And I'm just going to leave this under my eyes for a little bit longer because I am going to add glitter to this look. And then I'm just going to quickly fill in my brows here. I'm using the Universal Pencil from IT Cosmetics, which is in Universal Taupe. And then I'm going to finish off my eyes by adding these same 3 tones of brown underneath on my lower lash line here. And I'm just going to blend those out. So here I'm going to use the NYX Cosmetics Glitter Primer and then the BH Cosmetics Glitter in Gold, which is super pretty and fine. And I'm just going to put this on my tear duct here. Be very careful not to place it inside your eye, so make sure you close your eye a little bit so it doesn't fall in there. For my liner, we're going to be using the MAC Cosmetics Liquid Last Liner in Wet Road. I kind of have mixed feelings about this liner itself. It's kind of like a vinyl finish, and I'm not a huge fan of it because I feel like I don't have much control and I have to keep dipping back into my little pot. But it did the job. Jumping back to the face, we're going to use the IT Cosmetics Bronzer Palette, using the bronzer first, and then applying some blush right on top. Now to one of my favorite parts, which is the highlighter. We're going to start off by doing some illuminating drops in Opulence, and this one is from Suva Beauty. I really love these. So I'm just going to place this with the fan brush. As you can tell, or as you can see, you could just wear it like this if you want it to be super natural, but I decided to amp it up a little bit, and I went ahead and added some more highlighter right on top using the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and I'm going to use that shade right there. And then I'm just going to place it right on top of that liquid illuminating drop. I mean, come on, look at that highlight. But if you don't want it to be this extravagant, then definitely skip this step, okay? And then for my lips, I'm going to use the MAC Cosmetics Retro Lip in So Me. This is probably one of my top 2 colors and my go-to colors when it comes down to the retro lips. Alright, Alright, so this pretty much concludes the bulk of the makeup. You can totally leave it like this and just rock it as is. But I decided to add a little bit of extra flair, and I went in with some gold stars, and these are from Joann's, I believe. So I just placed a little bit of eyelash glue, and then I placed them right under my eyes here. Alright, so this pretty much concludes my look for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. If you happen to recreate any of my looks, definitely don't forget to tag me. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay? Thank you. Ciao. Love you guys.